Hi everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and I am so excited that, as you all know, I've been doing the Stephen West mystery knit along. It's the first time I've ever done it, and I got my yarn from Botanical Yarns and here in the UK, and we get clues for 4 weeks. We get clues to the shawl, and Stephen does the written pattern, and he does a detailed tutorial as well to go along with it. So I've learned so much from this and I'm finally finished. It took me 5 weeks and a day, and what I'm going to do at the end of the video, I'm going to go out in the garden, put my coat on, which this will go absolutely beautifully with, and show it off, because I can't tell you guys how proud I am of myself. And guys, this, you've all been having sneaky peeks, and I wouldn't show you any more sneaky peeks after I told you clue 3. When I started clue 4, I didn't want to take away. So this is my finished shawl, twists and turns, and as you can see, I blocked it, and so this is the centerpiece, and then this is one side, and it's very long. I'm 5'3", and it's longer than me, guys. It's longer than my wingspan. So that's one side, and all the twists and turns, and I learnt so much. I-cords, oh my god, I love them. I love them. I love them. So, and then there's this one as well, and this is the other side, so it's all blocked. And guys, I've got lots of yarn left, so these are the colours that I went with, and these are from Botanical Yarns. Now this was my pop of colour, and it was 100 grams, and I've still got 43 grams left. This was my main colour, and I've got 65 grams left. I had 200 grams and I've got 65 grams left. And then this one, this was my contrast, and I think I've got 86 of this left. Yeah, 86 grams out of 200 grams. So the yarn worked really well. So these are going to be turned into, I've got some Stephen West sock patterns, so I'm going to use this for one of the patterns. I need to, it's in my future projects folder. So yeah, so they're going to be socks for Rick. So yeah guys, I am absolutely delighted, and I am absolutely over the moon how it looks, if I can get hold of it properly. There we go. There we go. And I love the cabling. Can you see the cabling with the I-cord in? And I just love it. Love it. So I'm going to go in the garden with my video, put my coat on so you can see how well this goes with my winter coat, and I hope you enjoy. I did. So I will see you in a little while, guys. Hi, so this is the my shawl, my twists and turns shawl, and as you can see, it does go really well with my coat. So this is the centre, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it round. And as you can see, there's so many different ways you can wear this, guys. Look at that, how nice it sits, and I'm really pleased. He's an excellent tutor, guys. If you've never done it before and you're a knitter, I can't highly recommend this shawl. And I'm just going to show you another way, which is put it round me like that, and it just sits really nice, as you can see at the back. How nice it sits. And you could tuck it over just one shoulder and keep one down. I'm really pleased, and it goes so well with my winter coat. So that's it from me, guys. One very happy little bunny. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye bye for now.